Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Zittle Farms YouTube channel. Today's chore, we're over here at Lizzie's dad's house in Purcellville. He's got a little creek that runs through his front yard, and one of the big rains we had about 2-3 weeks ago washed out one of his bridges. So he drug it close to where it was. We're gonna try and see if we can get it back into place. Didn't bring the skid steer over yet, but it'll make it easier. Let's see if we can just do it with his Jeep and get this worked up. Hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. We're so close to 1,000. That'd be awesome. Let's get started. All right, let's try this. I don't know how well this is gonna work. We'll figure it out. Trial and error. Hold on. All right, go slow if you can go. Go slow if you can. It's not gonna work. Okay, let's try that. Alright, try it, go forward again. Alright, you want to just try and lift it up, do it one more time?
Okay, I'll go slow.
Go ahead. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you guys on the next one.